Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story. Today's topic is my first day at college. Starting college is an exciting experience. You meet new people, explore a new campus, and begin a new chapter in your life. Today, you will learn useful college vocabulary, simple conversations, and everyday English expressions. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. College vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. College. Repeat. College. Campus. Repeat. Campus. Classroom. Repeat. Classroom. Student. Repeat. Student. Teacher. Repeat. Teacher. Library. Repeat. Library. Lecture. Repeat. Lecture. Notebook. Repeat. Notebook. Schedule. Repeat. Schedule. Friend. Repeat. Friend. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I am a college student. Repeat. I am a college student. The campus is beautiful. Repeat. The campus is beautiful. My classroom is on the second floor. Repeat. My classroom is on the second floor. Very good. Arriving at college. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma. Good morning. Is this your first day at college? Daniel. Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous. Emma. Don't worry. Everyone feels that way on the first day. Daniel. Thank you. That makes me feel better. Emma. Let's go to the classroom together. Daniel. Great idea. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. Is this your first day? Pause. Is this your first day? I'm a little nervous. Pause. I'm a little nervous. Let's go together. Pause. Let's go together. Thank you very much. Pause. Thank you very much. Excellent. Finding the classroom. Emma. Excuse me. Could you tell me where room 204 is? College staff. Certainly. Go straight, then turn left. It's on the second floor. Emma. Thank you very much. College staff. You're welcome. Have a great first day. Emma. Thank you. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Sophia arrived at college early in the morning. She looked around the beautiful campus and felt excited. Although she was a little nervous, she smiled and greeted other students. Soon, she met a new classmate named Lily. Together, they found their classroom and sat next to each other. By the end of the day, they had already become good friends. Now answer these questions. When did Sophia arrive? Early in the morning. How did she feel? Excited, but a little nervous. Who did she meet? A new classmate named Lily. What happened by the end of the day? They became good friends. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Today is my first day. I'm excited to be here. Let's find the classroom. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. Very good. English learning tip. When meeting new people at school or college, use polite expressions like, hello. Nice to meet you. My name is. Can I sit here? Thank you. These simple phrases help you start friendly conversations. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Today is my first day at college. I'm excited to learn. Let's go to class together. Nice to meet you. I'm ready for a new adventure. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful college vocabulary, practiced introductions, and talked about arriving on your first day at college. In Part 2, we will learn how to introduce yourself in class, meet new classmates, ask simple questions, and become more confident speaking English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful college vocabulary, practiced introducing ourselves, and talked about arriving on the first day of college. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life college conversations. You will learn how to introduce yourself in class, meet new classmates, ask simple questions, and feel more confident on your first day. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Introducing yourself. On the first day, many teachers ask students to introduce themselves. Listen carefully. Teacher. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our class. Let's introduce ourselves. Emma. Hello. My name is Emma. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Green City. I'm happy to be here. Teacher. Thank you, Emma. Welcome to the class. Excellent. Now repeat. My name is Emma. Pause. My name is Emma. I'm happy to be here. Pause. I'm happy to be here. Welcome to the class. Pause. Welcome to the class. Very good. Meeting new classmates. Making friends is an important part of college life. Daniel. Hi. Is this seat free? Emma. Yes, it is. Please sit down. Daniel. Thank you. My name is Daniel. Emma. Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma. Daniel. What are you studying? Emma. I'm studying business. How about you? Daniel. I'm studying computer science. Emma. That's interesting. I hope we become good friends. Daniel. Me too. Wonderful. Asking questions. Students often ask questions during the first week. Emma. Excuse me. When does our next class start? Daniel. It starts at 11 o'clock. Emma. Where is the classroom? Daniel. It's in Building B on the second floor. Emma. Thank you for your help. Daniel. You're welcome. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Noah was worried before his first college class. He didn't know anyone, and everything was new. When he entered the classroom, he smiled and greeted the students around him. Soon, he started talking with a student named Ethan. They discovered that they both enjoyed football, reading books, and watching movies. After class, they visited the library together and had lunch in the college cafeteria. By the end of the day, Noah felt much more comfortable because he had already made a new friend. Now answer these questions. Why was Noah worried? Because everything was new. Who did he meet? A student named Ethan. What hobbies did they have in common? Football, reading books, and watching movies. Where did they go after class? The library and the college cafeteria. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Is this seat free? What are you studying? Our class starts at 11. Let's have lunch together. I'm happy to meet new friends. Very good. English learning tip. When introducing yourself, keep your sentences simple. For example, my name is, I'm from, I'm studying, I enjoy, nice to meet you. These expressions will help you communicate confidently with new people. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Please sit here. I'm studying business. What are you studying? Let's go to the library. I'm excited to learn new things. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to introduce yourself, meet new classmates, ask simple questions, and make new friends in college. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, attend our first lecture, visit the college library, and improve our English listening with another real-life college story. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to introduce ourselves, meet new classmates, and ask simple questions. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to attend your first lecture, visit the college library, work with classmates, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Attending the first lecture. Now it's time for the first class. Listen to this conversation. Teacher. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your first lecture. I hope you enjoy this course. Students. Good morning, teacher. Teacher. Please open your notebooks. Today we will learn the course introduction. Emma. I'm ready. Daniel. Me too. I'm excited to learn. Teacher. If you have any questions, please ask. Excellent. Now repeat. Please open your notebook. Pause. Please open your notebook. I'm excited to learn. Pause. I'm excited to learn. If you have any questions, please ask. Pause. If you have any questions, please ask. Very good. Visiting the library. After class, Emma and Daniel decide to visit the library. Emma. Have you been to the library yet? Daniel. Not yet. Let's go together. Emma. Great idea. I need to borrow a book. Daniel. I want to find some study materials. Librarian. Welcome. Can I help you? Emma. Yes, please. Where can I find English books? Librarian. They're on the first floor, near the reading area. Daniel. Thank you very much. Wonderful. Working together. Students often work together on assignments. Emma. Would you like to study together after class? Daniel. Yes, I'd love to. Emma. We can review today's lesson. Daniel. That's a great idea. We can also help each other with difficult topics. Emma. Teamwork makes learning easier. Daniel. I completely agree. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Grace enjoyed every moment of her first week at college. She attended interesting lectures, met friendly teachers, and made several new friends. One afternoon, her teacher asked the students to work in small groups. Grace worked with 3 classmates on a simple presentation. Everyone shared ideas and helped each other. After finishing the project, they celebrated with coffee at the campus cafe. Grace realized that college was not only about studying, but also about learning, growing, and making lifelong friendships. Now answer these questions. What did Grace enjoy? Her first week at college. What did the teacher ask the students to do? Work in small groups. Where did they go after finishing the project? The campus cafe. What did Grace realize? That college is about learning, growing, and making friends. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Please open your notebook. Let's study together. Can you help me? I need to borrow a book. The lecture was interesting. I'm learning something new every day. Very good. English learning tip. Working with classmates is a great way to improve your English. Use expressions like, "Can we study together? Could you explain this? Thank you for helping me." Let's review today's lesson. I understand now. These simple phrases are useful both inside and outside the classroom. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. The lecture was very interesting. Let's go to the library. We can study together. Thank you for your help. I'm enjoying college life. Fantastic work. Today you practiced attending a lecture, visiting the library, working with classmates, and using natural English in everyday college situations. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a first day at college, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own school or college experiences. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful college vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, met new classmates, attended your first lecture, and improved your English through simple stories. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My first day at college. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my first day at college. It is one of the happiest memories of my life. I woke up very early that morning because I was excited and a little nervous. I put on my favorite clothes, packed my backpack, and checked my schedule one more time. My parents wished me good luck before I left home. When I arrived at the college campus, I saw many students walking in different directions. Some students were talking with their friends, while others were looking for their classrooms. The campus was large, clean, and full of beautiful trees and flowers. Everything looked new and exciting. At first, I felt a little lost. I wasn't sure where my classroom was. I politely asked a college staff member for directions. She smiled and showed me the correct building. I thanked her and quickly walked to my classroom. When I entered the room, I noticed that many students were also new. I found an empty seat next to a student named Emma. I smiled and asked, "Is this seat free?" She smiled back and said, "Yes, please sit here." We introduced ourselves and started talking. I learned that we were studying the same subject and even enjoyed many of the same hobbies. Soon, our teacher entered the classroom and welcomed everyone. The teacher asked each student to introduce themselves. Although I was nervous, I stood up and spoke clearly. Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. I'm from Green City. I'm excited to study here and make new friends. Everyone smiled, and I immediately felt more confident. After the lecture, Emma invited me to visit the college library. The library was quiet, modern, and filled with thousands of books. We borrowed a few English books and explored the reading area together. Later, we had lunch in the college cafeteria. We talked about our families, our favorite subjects, and our dreams for the future. It felt like we had known each other for a long time. In the afternoon, we attended another class and worked together on a simple classroom activity. Our teacher praised our teamwork and encouraged us to continue helping each other. At the end of the day, I walked around the campus before going home. I looked at the classrooms, gardens, sports fields, and student center. I realized that college was not only a place to study. It was also a place to meet new people, learn new skills, and build a bright future. When I arrived home, I happily told my parents about my day. They were proud of me and excited to hear about my new friend. That night, I wrote about my first day in my diary. Even today, whenever I read those pages, I remember how excited, nervous, and hopeful I felt. My first day at college taught me that every new beginning brings new opportunities. It reminded me to believe in myself, be kind to others, and enjoy every step of the journey. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Who did Sophia meet in her classroom? She met Emma. Where did they go after class? They went to the college library. What did they do in the cafeteria? They had lunch and talked about their families and dreams. What did Sophia write that night? She wrote about her first day in her diary. What lesson did Sophia learn? She learned that every new beginning brings new opportunities. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. Today is my first day at college. I'm excited to learn. Is this seat free? Let's study together. The lecture was interesting. I'm happy to meet new friends. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. How did you feel on your first day at school or college? Who was the first person you met? What was your favorite class? Did you make any new friends? What do you enjoy most about studying? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Every conversation you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker. English learning tip. Talking about your school or college experiences is a great way to improve your English. Use simple questions to organize your story. When did it happen? Where did you go? Who did you meet? What did you learn? How did you feel? These questions make your story clear, natural, and easy to understand. Practice speaking about your experiences every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your first day at college, introduce yourself confidently, meet new classmates, ask for directions, attend lectures, visit the library, study with friends, describe your college experience in English. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.